Bits.
They make it carry go. Take it, go. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, sit. Anything where you want, baby, carry go. Hey. If not loving you want, baby, girl, I get you plenty love for you. In the mini money, mo. Hey. For this a love, girl, me and no go back slow. If not money you want to get, carry and go. It's a carry and go. If not loving you want to get, carry and go. It's a carry and go.
Carry am go. Okay, carry am go. Carry am go. It's a carry am go. Carry am go. It's money I want, so. It's money I want. It's money I want. I should carry it and be going.
Everybody wants the money.
We want the money, but uncle, you can sing. Go.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Why didn't you use me as your video vixen?
We are here.
I would have
Be like,
No, I did being.
ka ṣe ka gba gbese sorry ẹ. Okay guys, that was Carry Go by Dicole Vibes featuring EJ Slim.
Yeah.
I mean, and it was a whole vibe.
Yeah, thank you.
Your name,
Oh,
your name suits
God.
your vibe.
Thank you.
Oh wow, now that was really good. Okay, now so let's get right to it. So first up, how did you actually know that you wanted to do music? I mean, what inspired you to say, you know what, I don't want to do any other thing. It's got to be music or nothing.
Oh, okay. Well, everything started since when I was a child. I started playing instruments in church and I was in the choir. You
Everybody's
understand?
story.
Yeah, so I was in the choir. At the time I was a choir master. So I just knew that this is my thing. You understand? So along the line I started falling to that track. Yes. So that was how I knew that okay. That's the only thing I know I can do.
Like, but when did you, like, at what age did you like start doing it professionally?
Professionally, I started doing that was like 8 years ago. Yes. 8 years. I started producing music. Started doing it like professionally. That was like 8 years ago.
Oh wow.
Yes.
okay, so like, what inspires your song?
Okay. Mostly I get inspired maybe when I'm walking on the streets, and mostly when I'm walking on the streets, then the vibes just come to me. It could be like as a result of something I just see, maybe an incident that just happened, and I'm like, okay. Maybe once that thing keeps coming to my mind, before you know I start creating a vibe for it. Before you know I've already got the beat already.
Is that how you came up with your name?
Dicole Vibes. Actually, my friends like they came up with that because I was using a name before that sounded like also good. So they were like, guy, no, this name you're using doesn't suit what
What was the name? Tell us. What was the name?
Okay, I was using one name. I was using the name Yongi. Like
Okay.
Yongi, yeah, just normal YOUNGY.
Okay.
So they were like, doesn't have any meaning really. You understand?
Yeah.
So because when I started with Young Prince, everybody started calling me Yongi. So but when the whole thing started getting serious and the whole music started looking professional, starting professional, so they were like, no, like guy, we need to like fix up, we need to change on it. So we just had to get that. We're just vibing and everything just came out. And when they said it, I was like, guy, I like this. I didn't even argue. You understand? So that's how we came up with it.
Okay, so now what genre of music would you say is your preference? Like, what genre of
Okay.
music do you do?
Basically, I do Afro pop.
Okay.
Afro pop, but I do trap. I can do some other genre of music too.
Okay.
Yeah, but mainly Afro pop. When I get a vibe, it's Afro vibe.
Okay, so like, which artists would
Okay.
you, like, are you looking forward to working with?
Oh, okay.
Would you love to work with? Which artists?
Burna Boy, Whiskey.
Why Burna Boy and Wizkid?
I like Burna Boy. I love the video too, but Burna Boy and Whiskey. Yeah, but I've been listening to Whiskey for a very long time. Burna Boy, I've been listening to him since when he started the whole music thing. So even when the industry wasn't like listening to him, I was listening to him. But I know that this guy is really good. So really, if I want to feature Burna Boy, Whiskey, then Davido.
Okay, so is it in that particular order?
Pattern, like
Burna Boy,
Wizkid,
Wizkid, Davido. Wow, Davido is boy out I'll be
Yeah, we're
maybe
thinking about
we have
it.
to think about you blown no.
No, of course I'll feature Davido, but I just want like based on the kind of music I know I love. Like,
Yeah,
Burna Boy, of
okay.
course,
Okay, so now as an artist in Nigeria, to be precise, now what would you say are the challenges you face?
Wow. As
an artist in Nigeria, most of the time when you don't have a record label, you don't have a sponsor, it's a whole lot of challenge because you do a song. Number one, why it's not so hard on me is because okay, I have a studio that I do my song and I produce my songs, I record, mix and master my songs.
Okay.
So that's why it's not so it's not much like it's not that like a challenge. But talking about the promotional aspect and all, I know when you do a song, you do so if you like do 30 songs in the studio, if one is not out there, nobody knows it. You haven't done anything. You understand? So not having, let me say, you really not having a backbone, but for you to do music, you need money. Anyway, so not having a backbone, it's a serious challenge, and many upcoming artists face that.
I mean, because you said you've been singing for 8 years.
Yes.
I mean, it's got to be like, oh wow.
Like in total, like how many songs will you say you've produced, like in total?
Wow. really, I can't keep count of that because I've been producing for years. I produced in Ghana.
Is it like up to 50?
It should be more than that.
Wow. You produced in Ghana?
Yes.
Okay.
I was in a record label at Ghana for like 2 years. So I was the official producer. I was one of the artists too.
Okay.
Basically the official producer.
Okay.
So I produced so many artists in Ghana. And then talking about Nigeria, I produced many artists in Nigeria.
Artists like who?
Okay, mostly upcoming artists.
Okay.
You understand? But I've been opportunity to work with some big producers like CDK producers, Big Mouse Beats. You understand? I've worked with. I co-work with him for that is CDK's album that he dropped. That was one album that he dropped last year. Yeah, CDK dropped an album last year. CDK. Like I don't know if it's an EP, I think an album. So I co-produced like 2 songs inside with Big Mouse. You understand? So yeah. And so many other artists too that I know that okay, they are trying on their own.
You talked about being in Ghana. So, were you living in Ghana first before relocating to Nigeria?
No, I was in Nigeria, then I got a deal in Ghana. So
okay. Now, speaking of Ghana, like, did you ever work with any big, or rather, even generally, have you worked with any big A-list artist?
Okay, what's your definition of A-list?
Okay, big names, like people that, okay, if I hear this name, I don't hear them before.
Yeah, okay. Basically, what I do is, like, as an upcoming producer, mostly for you to get there, you just got to, like, sometimes you got to, like, co-produce songs, like, some other top producers.
Yeah.
So I co-produced a song that was called Stoneboy, that was in Ghana.
Okay.
Yes. And one other artist, Ebo, in Ghana too, is popular in Ghana also. So again, I and Legacy Beats, we worked on, we produced a track for him. So like working together to produce that, working together on the track.
Okay, but none in Nigeria.
No, for now. But at least I know that I have some people on my list. I know that I need to deliver some instrumental to like Lakewood Finest. And he's a Nigerian artist, but he's based in South Africa.
Okay.
As just the video and Ricky Rick and all that. So I see we have a project that we're actually
working on. Okay. So I'm guessing we should be looking out for you and expecting like a whole lot from you this year, to be precise. Okay. Now we'll be looking out for Dicole Vibes. I mean, I really like that song. Honestly. Okay, but before we move to the next segment, we need you to do a freestyle for us. I mean, you cannot be a singer and just come and sit down and then we'll vibe to your music and you not give us from the source.
Okay. Are we good to go?
Yes, please.
Baby, for your love, I swear to God, say me a fire down, me a fire to the morning light. Cause baby, nobody better than you. I love the things you do, and you call me on the phone every day. Cause baby, you were special.
Oh, please,
you
can say it again.
Good. Oh yeah. And when the money day, I go carry you, go my place. So, say now you, only you, my baby. Baby, you are special.
Oh shit!
So when I need some loving, me I go run, come your place.
Please do.
My baby, you are special. Oh, eh. So when I need good loving, me I go run, come your place. My baby,
that was nice. That was amazing. Thank you. Okay, yes, guys, we are not done with the vibes with the Dicole Vibes. We're not
Yeah.
done with him yet. Now we have the final segment, and this is the
Yes.
part I always look forward to. Or everybody here, because if you know what happens backstage when this particular segment is going on, y'all be rolling on the floor. Okay, yeah. So when we get back, we'll move to the final segment of the show, which is Let's Play, and well, hopefully, Dicole Vibes brings the vibes.
No,
Yeah.
we always bring it.
You always bring the vibes.
Yes.
Let's go. First rule of the game, don't answer with yes or no. Don't answer any question with yes or no. Okay. Now, true or false? 2020 is a leap year.
True.
Final answer?
True.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, that's my final answer.
Okay, you're correct. But you said yes.
Oh, like I didn't really get it. Okay, sorry, I didn't really like. Am I wrong or right?
I said you got it, but you said yes. I said don't answer any question with yes or no.
So I need to.
Yes. True or false? The earth is spherical in shape.
True.
Correct. Never ever have I done a day without taking my bath.
False.
You've never gone a day without taking your bath. This is not a true or false question. Like never ever ever.
Don't do that to my bar. No, I've actually stayed some like a day, sometimes a day and a half. That's my bar sometimes.
Okay, thank you.
Wow. I need to drink again. Oh, okay.
Which of the months has 28 days?
Fair.
Is that your final answer?
Final answer.
Are you sure you want to go with February?
True.
Okay, now you're wrong because all the months have 28 days.
No, it's not possible.
All the months have 28 days. I didn't say which of the months has only 28 days.
Okay.
So you're wrong.
Wow.
Yes.
My God. We good.
Tip tap TikTok. How many T's are in there? Tip tap TikTok. How many T's are in there?
Tick tock, tick tock.
Tip tap TikTok. How many T's are in there?
4 T's.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you really, really sure?
I'm sure.
And that is your final answer.
Final answer.
How many T's are in there?
4.
Because there is only one T in there.
4 T's.
There is only one T in there.
No, I'm sure.
How many T's are in the word there?
There. Oh my God. Wow. So I need to drink again.
Yes, you do.
Wow. Wow. I hope I don't get drunk. Like, I don't get drunk.
What is the full meaning of EP?
Oh my God, really. Wow, I did not forget the answer to that. Like, I used to know it, but really, I've forgotten the answer to that.
Do you want to take some time to think?
Okay, I need some time to think. Let me think. Sorry, am I allowed to use my phone?
No.
Oh, let me just drink. My God.
Do you want us to remind you?
Yes, you can.
Extended play.
That's it.
And finally, what is the capital of Abuja?
FCT Abuja. Does Abuja have a capital? Abuja is the capital.
Of what state? Nigeria is a state.
Oh my God. Wait.
What is the capital of Abuja?
Capital of Abuja. Because Abuja is the capital. Like, that's where we have the federal capital territory.
What are you saying?
Abuja is the capital.
Of
Abuja.
what state? Okay, Abuja is capital of what?
Nigeria. Yeah,
Okay, so what is the capital of Abuja?
Abuja does not have a capital. It's yeah.
Are you sure?
Wait, let me think. Well, I've always known this. Abuja does not have a capital. Abuja does not have a capital. Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, please give him a drink. Say yeah. Thank you. We're done.
Yeah, why did you say yes? Wow.
Welcome back. Yes, we've been having lots and lots and lots of fun. I mean, first off, how are you feeling? How many is this?
Two.
How many
sure?
is this?
4.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
You
sure.
can say yes.
You can say it
Oh
now.
my-
You can confidently
Oh,
say
yeah,
yes now.
I mean, yeah, like we said earlier, his name depicts the kind of vibe he brings here. Dicole Vibes. I mean, you're such a vibe. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'm sure you had fun on the show today.
Yes, it's hard fun. Like,
Yeah.
really hard fun.
Okay, so how can your fans and aspiring fans follow you?
Oh, okay. Okay, if you want to follow me on, you can follow me on IG at Dicole Vibes, at Dicole Vibes, and on Facebook at Dicole Beats, just Dicole Beats.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I mean, we had fun with you on the
I had
show.
fun too.
So right about now, we'll be wrapping up the show. Thank you guys so much for joining us. I mean, it's always an absolute pleasure knowing that you're there for us and that we are here for you. Yes, over to you, Naya.
I don't want to go yet. I don't want to go. But yes, we have to end the show. I remain that beautiful Hotel the Last adopted daughter. Yeah.
And of course, I remain your favorite screen diva, ever dazzling, ever smiling, ever glowing, Ayomide. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your screen right now and that bell that is shaking right there. Click it, that's the notification bell, so you get notified every time we post amazing videos like this one. And yes, you can also follow us on Facebook at Fresh TV and on Instagram at Fresh_media. Visit us on our website at www.fresh.ng. And it's bye for now. Stay safe.